sheet of paper with cuts and folds so neat, transformed into a binder, have a purpose hard to beat. No more three-ring struggles, no more spine that sticks. The ringless binder arrives with all its clever tricks. Flexible and pliable, yet strong enough to hold all our important documents in its ties so bold. No more clunky metal rings that snag and catch our skin. Just two sets of ties to keep the papers in tone. Gone are the days of bulky three-ring binders. The ringless one has come. It's a game changer, a reminder. Simplicity can now reign, bringing ease to our days. A single sheet of paper, replacing three rings old ways. So let's embrace this binder, cut from one single sheet. A humble yet mighty tool to keep us organized and neat. But wait, there's more, it's green, you see. No metal rings or heavy vinyl covers to a bead. It weighs only 20% of what others do. A sustainable choice that's good for Earth and you. So now, my friend, take a look and see. Visit smartpapercuts.com and set your paper